Oh, finally. Took 3 videos to do this. Because, well, there's an interactive ad that sometimes pops up when you're playing this game. And when it does, if you're using this app, which is like Screen Recorder, I'm pretty sure. Oh god, wait, what? This one was cheese ball. Anyway, when an interactive ad happens, it always like cancels the recording, which then gives me the chance of the footage being corrupted, which is annoying. I've said it twice. I've said this in the description of my other 2 parts, with the second part I've literally just released. It might not have even appeared yet, has it? Oh yeah, it probably has. Yeah, it has. Anyway, yeah, at least they didn't, and now I'm gonna end this recording without having it getting the chance of corruption. Anyway, the next video I'm going to do is I've got a video coming up which I asked a certain YouTuber if I could do, because yeah, I want to make sure, like, when I ask if I can make it use a video idea, because someone made a video about ranking over Angry Birds Star Wars 2 bosses, and the name of this YouTuber was named Crazy Bird 2000, if you just want to know what the name is. And I asked him if I could do the same thing, but with Angry Birds Space, which he said yes, so I'm going to do that. I'm not going to do this next video. I'm going to show you something about the daily missions and what they are, and Mirror World and stuff. Just about stuff about the Brass Hogs update that was like, oh no, like 6 years ago. Yes, I'm late to it, of course. Like, I wasn't a YouTuber back then, okay? Because I am now, but yeah. And also, while you're at it, may you have a look at my vlog channel, which is High+270. Yes, High+270. And by the way, my original name for my channel was High+540, but HL. But then I changed it to the Emerald Apple. I don't know why I used the Minecraft Emerald Apple, but I know I just did. Okay, I'm gonna end this video now. Most of this video probably is just me talking. Anyway, also, sometimes I don't know what to do for a video idea, so maybe comment down on what I should do next. Anyway, bye bye.